Match 104 underway. This is the last match for many of the team, qualification match for many of the teams on this field. One last chance to build up their ranking. One last chance to show off what these impressive machines can do. All four robots still cranking around the field to build up those scores. We could have a pretty high scoring match here, as both alliances are neck and neck, already in the mid 40s and 50s for their autonomous scores.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Coming out of autonomous, 154 to 115. Both teams already up in the triple digits. All four teams were in that submersible. First to score, 18-255, Stealth Robotics out of Barrington, Illinois. One of two Illinois teams in this match. They're facing off against a team doing the same function of scoring in the high basket. That would be 12-682, the golden ratio from Cary, Illinois. Only about a 30-minute drive from Barrington. 13-356, RoboForce from Fremont, California. They're lining up in that submersible, pulling out samples to go build up a supply of specimens for later use. Here comes what appears to be their sixth supply sample, now pulling out a specimen to score. That's 10 points right there, going up for the Red Alliance. They're going to start slamming down more of them, it appears. They bring in a second for another 10 points. On the Blue Alliance, 9879, route -1. They're down there looking to collect a sample. They're from Springdale, Arkansas, as they move down into the observation zone, dropping off a sample, then retrieving a specimen, going and latching it up for 10 points right there. They're now going in to retrieve another to keep doing that same task. 45 seconds to go, a 6-point separation. Both teams already at 220 points and climbing. This is going to be a tight match and could come down to just about anything here. The same strategies we saw earlier being employed. As the whistle sounds, teams continue their general match-long tasks. We see 13-356. That's RoboForce from Fremont, California, snapping on a couple more specimens as we come into the final 15 seconds. First in the air, maybe Stealth Robotics. Their hooks are up. They're lined up for an ascent, and there they go off the ground. Their partners from Fremont looking to join them up in the air. We have 2 attempted ascents on blue as time expires.
All right, let's take a look at those scores.